Morning, everybody. Looks like to be a NAS sell stop to the 5-second blue line at NQ to the 5-second blue line. Oh, am I tired? Good morning from Ohio. Let's get this rolling too while we're at it. Can you guys hear me okay? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let me get a few things set up. What does that mean, 88? Ugh. I'll have to look at that later. Good morning, everybody. Hey, Lazarus, what's up, buddy? Let me get my YouTube live going here. Dun, 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 dun. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's go down here. Oh, there we go. All right, I think we're live on TikTok, Twitch, Twitter, X, all that stuff, whatever. Can you guys hear me okay? Yes or no? Let's see, is anyone talking? I didn't even check. Yeah. Good morning, Larry Cooper and Guy Berger and Big. What's up, Big? Loud and clear, so loud and clear. Good morning, Mr. Gold. Mr. Gold #1 along with Big. Good job, guys. The sell stop to NAS's 5-second, 10-second blue lines have hit. Let's go to NQ's 30-second and see what's going on. Yeah, we'll get with that. Again, we don't play these sells. They're just creating better buys for us, that's all. What's up, Jeff Post? Good morning and welcome. Audio check good. Guy Berger says yes. God bless you, Larry Cooper. God bless everybody. Thank you for the prayers for Bree and Keith and me. And we had safe travels, great travel. Man, the flight from Atlanta to Ohio is quick as lightning. We got up about an hour. I don't even know if it was barely over an hour. I think, matter of fact, we started to descend before the hour was done. Yeah, yeah. Da, 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 da. What time is it? 6 o'clock. Oh, okay. I'm a little perplexed of why my There we go. Now she's working. Boy, that was temperamental, wasn't it? There we go. Oh, now I did something again. There we go. Okay. All right. Oh, man. To the 30-second blue line. Yep. I would do the sells to NAS and NQ's 30-second blue line. Demo trade only, of course. I don't even know where we're at. Keith, what the hell are you doing up? Morning, Keith. Morning, Stacy. Keith, go back to sleep, brother. The great Keith Palmer has blessed us with his presence. Good man. We'll be visiting Keith. I don't know about next. I think we're heading to him closer to his birthday, the end of June. Keith, you remember what I said? I don't remember what I said. I'll have to ask Bree. Because I think we're going to St. Thomas next, and then we're going to see Keith. And then we go to Las Vegas, I think, actually. Yeah, see, it's going down. You're in profit now on your sell. Speaking of that, how's my trades going? The great Keith Palmer is the man and the myth and the legend behind our every one of our indicators that you see and use every day. Somehow, some way, he takes what I ask him to do, which is most of the time absolutely insane, and he creates indicators out of it for us. Usable stuff that actually reads. I think it's still triggering a lot, Keith. I think, by the way, just a heads up. Touchdown. We have touchdown to the 30-second blue line. Let's tell you you're welcome on that trade. Thank you, God. Let's take a look and see if we're going to see anybody hit the, NAS, NQ, SPX to the 1 minute blue line, and NAS towards the 1 minute blue line. I wonder if I can set up an alert that's not too dingy here. Let's see. I just want to catch it, so I'm just going to place it. Don't listen to these alerts. This is just for fun. Just going to try to catch this either way, so I can hear the alert. So there we go. If you guys can hear that. Come on, TikTok. There you go. Alert pause to frequent triggers. Yeah, see, that's not good. All right. Awesome. How awesome this is. Keith, you're the best. Let's see. What do we have as far as my trades go? Oh, there we go. All right. In case some of you don't know MetaTrader 4, the order number, time in, type of the trade, gold, time in would have been 113 at 9:41. So it would have been a little bit after, 9:41? Shit. I don't know. I have to get on my converter. Oh, 21. So it's 5 hours after. So that would have been 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30. Oki said, yes, can't hardly wait. Midge, don't care when, just excited to see you all. Yay, we're excited to see you too. Yeah, still fine-tuning the alerts. Yeah, it's kind of weird because sometimes it seems like it does okay, then other times it seems like it isn't. I don't know. Oh, but anyway, stop loss and take profit. Actually, we're up $628 an ounce. Got to check gold out this morning. This is a trade from 4:30, April the 30th, to buy a 0.50 on US 30. Time in stop loss. The swap fees are destroying me on this. This is like 8,000 and this is like 5,000. But anywho, doing pretty good on those. Those are my runners. 523, a trade from 527 buy. This is a NAS in US 30, up 486 pips on this one, up 2,000 pips on this one. Yay! And there goes the alert. Yay! Those are normal alerts, Keith. Oh, so there you go. Where are we at? Oh, it's one. We're 1 minute sell to the blue line for SPX and ES1. It's in the game. Oh man. Morning, Luke. Luke Day. Good morning, Luke. Good morning, Lando Walters. The great Keith Palmer has joined us this morning. Thank you, sir. We're waiting for the sell to be fizzled out here soon. We'll see how low it goes. Probably somewhere around, I don't know. It's probably going to form a 1 hour buy stop today, maybe a 2 hour buy. I'll have to go check those in a minute. Would anybody like me to check any other symbols? I'm going to swing down to gold. Let's see over here. Morning, Julius. Let's see who's on TikTok. Lazarus, Larry Cooper, Julius, Stacy, Saska, Bayrun, Angel. Good morning to all of you. All right, let's take a look at. Do not forget, you're in the middle of a buy stop weekly. Please play only buys on our indices. All right, let's check away if we shall somewhere here. All right, gold. Let's see, gold 3 minute. Buy stop to the 3 minute. This is a beautiful trade. Buy stop gold. Take profit 1, 3,292. Take profit 2, Love this trade. It's a beautiful little trade. 3,297. That's gold. 3-minute buy stop. Nah. Good morning, Mickey Spazia. Good morning, you sexy, beautiful people. That's nice. All right. 10-minute, don't know. 15-minute, negative. 30-minute, sell. Sell gold. 30-minute, I wouldn't take the trade, but it's up to you. You're grown ass adults. 3,276. Let me see here. 3,243. SPX is crossed. Oh, that was temporary. We don't care about that. Gold. All right. Gold is a 2-hour buy, 3-hour buy, 4-hour buy, 5-hour buy, 5-hour buy. Stop gold. Love the trade. Keith. Keith, if you want to talk, I'll end the live. Can you either write down or can we chat about when to fire alerts? I've tweaked it so many times I don't want to lose focus on what we're supposed to. Yeah, sure, absolutely. Good morning, Monster. If you want to chat now, no rush. I'll be up. Keith, let's go back to sleep, bro. Where to get this? Do you use the H&H anymore? Yes. Do I personally use H&H anymore? Yes, but it's not as good. The H&H scanner technically is kind of being phased out. There's no sense of using the H&H scanner when you have the rifle. The rifle on steroids, the Uno reverse rifle, is crazy good. It's just better than the H&H scanner. It's been an improved. It's been. There you go. Here you go. It's going to go down and touch this right here, like I said. So there you go. I'm so glad it's coming in second. This is awesome. Sells top to SPX is in the money, and I'm sure NQ and NAS are also there. Yeah. Sell stop NAS and NQ towards their 1-minute blue line. You'll at least make money on that trade. Morning, good morning, good morning to everybody on TikTok, YouTube. Look, it's almost there. Look at SPX almost touching its blue line. I'm going to call that. We have touchdown. Yay. Good morning. morning to everybody on TikTok, YouTube. Give me just a second here. Let's see. There it is. SPX to the blue line. XPX to the blue line. Whoever took that trade on us, you made money. Demo only. I'm not a financial advisor. Look at that. Perfectly done. Now we're going to wait for Q1 and NAS to head to its 1 minute line. Whether it hits there or not is irrelevant. We'll be making money all the way down. I would only take buy stops, but you guys are going. Gold. Let's see. Gold buy is in the money. Your gold buy is in the money. You're welcome. Heading to the 3 minute blue line. That's how it's called out. It'll go up there and hit that. It's just you guys just sit back, relax, make demo money all morning long with me. Obviously, the misses are now completely annihilated and gone. It's only going to be wins every time. Tell all your friends. We'll just sit here and make money all morning long. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, there it is. Blue line touch, blue line touch. We have a blue line touch on gold right here. Yay, 3 minute gold. Told you. Perfect play, easy play, safe play. That was a joke. Good morning, everybody. Just made money, easy money on gold, BS1 and SPX, and NQ1 and NAS. Been an easy morning, just getting started. We have another one. Let's see what we're doing here. Alert on gold. Yep, gold is hit its blue line. There's our alert. Yay. Easy peasy money. Good morning, Saw. Good morning, Jacob. What's up, Jacob? Blue Tide Acrylics. Good morning, Kirk Brown. Didn't someone ask a question somewhere? Where'd that question go? Uh-oh, I must have. Where'd that question go? Shoot. Do you use H and Lazarus is asking? Do you use H and H anymore? I hope I answered that for you. Good morning, Bayron. Good morning, Julius. Good morning, Stacy. Good morning, Lazarus. Julius is asking for USD UUR, USD EUR. I think that's what he asked for. Where'd that go? Yeah, let me go over here. He's asking for a currency pair. Let me check it out for him. Is he asking for that? That does EUR USD. Does he want EUR USD? Julius, you want EUR USD? I think he wants EUR USD. Let's take a look. This is the one he asked for, but that's not the usual one people ask for. Let me check that for him. I don't even know where we're at. Let's see. I mean, if that's the one you want, that's the one I'll do. No worries. I'm just trying to stall for a second here. Thank you. Yes, EUR USD. Yeah, I figured that was it. Yeah. Down, down. Makes more sense. I just been doing this so long. There. All right, let's take a look at the number one Forex $7.2 trillion a day business. It's not even a good one to trade, by the way. It's kind of shitty. Buy stop 2, the 3-minute blue line. That's easy. Play any little buy stops you can until EUR USD hits it. It's going to be hitting it soon. Yep, EUR USD. Okay, cool. Hey, why don't we have our, hold on. Let's go over to here. Dun, dun, dun. Add that mark. Yeah, 3-minute buy stop. Let's go up a little bit higher and see what we got going on. EUR USD, 3-minute buy stop to the blue line. Take profit 1.130533. They're so stupid when they do that stuff. Looks like it's going to be a 45-minute sell. 45-minute sell EUR USD 1.12381. Higher time frames are all buys. Let me triple check that. Buy to the weekly. Yeah, then it's got to come back down. 6 months ago. So 6 months, 3 months, 3 months, 333. Buy, monthly, buy, weekly. Daily hit, blue line, weekly. Buy stop to the weekly blue line, 1.15954, 1.20033. And that is EUR USD.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
All right, hopefully that helps someone. I forgot who we were. Lazarus, I believe, asked for that. All right. Anybody else have any other symbols out there? Let me know. I hope that made sense to Keith. That is the rules as I remember the thing should be going off on. Oh, oh, oh. All right, let me do Bitcoin real quick. Look a little Bitcoin go. Sell stop Bitcoin to the 10-second blue line, 108,352. I would never play a sell on Bitcoin, just like I would never play a sell on gold or any of our 6 indices. These are strictly buys. As a matter of fact, there's a 1-minute buy to the 3-minute blue line, 1-minute buy to the 5-minute blue line. Take profit 1 on Bitcoin is 108,638. 45-minute sell stop on Bitcoin. I'm not calling it. 3-hour buy stop. 4-hour buy stop. Yep, 4-hour, 5 hours. This is technically officially a 4-hour, 5-hour buy stop. Take profit 1 on Bitcoin, 109,865, 112,000, 115,000, 120,000. That is Bitcoin. XRP. Oh, speaking of which, we can do all 3 of these at once. My bad. Here you go. Look at, gee, looks like something's going up, Larry. Where's Larry at? I know he's thrilled. Oh, and it looked like it hit back up again, did it? Yep, told you. XRP is going to be going to $2.52. And then, of course, $3, $3.50. And then $4. Yep. XRP, baby. The more it goes down here, just play those dollar cost average in or just play it. It's going to go straight back up again. You're looking at Ethereum. Told you Ethereum had its biggest gainer out of this is 3,300 take profit. There's also 3,100 take profit. Of course, I've already called these take profits out. You've already made money on those. And Bitcoin's going to where it's going, all of them at once. Maybe me and Keith can have a moment to tweak all these things up. I wonder if you can do it now. 1 second is red, 5 seconds. Let me go back to here for a second. And no, I'd rather talk to you. I can come back on later. I can come. Yeah, what we're doing, Keith, is way more important. I've already made everybody money. We've already made money on everything. NAS, NQ. I'm going to get rid of this setup. I don't think we need that. Where are we at? ES1 is not, we're down there, really? Oh, it's barely over. Sell to the 1 minute blue line for SPX. Oh, it just changed. NQ1. Hold on. SPX. Oh, SPX. Yeah, sell stop SPX to the 1 minute blue line ricochet. It's going to go up, arch up, go into our channel, and come back down again. Yep. Bitcoin cross. Nice. That's Dreamers. Heath, I'd rather talk to you. Fine. All right. Oh, Bitcoin was going to its 3 minute blue line. Hold on. Going to its 5 minute blue line too. Bitcoin buy stop to the 5 minute blue line. I'd rather go so we can get the crypto edition tidied up and then the gold edition tidied up. Get those things out. Ah. Of course, we do need the Uno thing finished too. So, guess Keith's right. Fine, Keith. Good morning, LT. Good morning, Kirk and Jacob again. Does anybody have any other symbols they'd like me to look at? Please let me know. You're welcome, Julius. Very good morning to you too, Miami Rocks. We're off to bright and early and nice. Made money, a little bit of money on Bitcoin, gold, good money. ES1 a ton, SPX a ton, demo only, NQ1 and NS, NAS also. Don't forget these sells are just temporary. Yep, back in the money on SPX again. In the money, you're about to see NAS and NQ1 go below their little previous low they just made a second ago, a few minutes ago. We're heading to the 1 minute blue lines of NAS and NQ1. I would never take these sells. All it's doing is forming higher buy stops for us. You'll see probably like a 1 hour buy form, maybe even like a 2 hour buy form here. You can see clearly we're on 15-minute buys right now. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay, I'm calling it. 15-minute buy stop all indices, 15-minute buy stop all indices. I'm going to be putting my take profits in here. This is NAS. Let's go to NQ1. Yep, NQ1. Same exact thing. These are gorgeous buy stops. Beautiful buy stops. Let's go to SPX. Yep, perfection, 15-minute buys. These are a logo. This is what it was 2 days ago when I took that buy that I'm in currently. It looked just like this. You guys have to recognize these patterns. Life is nothing but patterns. Once you understand patterns, you can understand life a lot better. BlackRock and Vanguard repeat their buys, repeat their sells. We are literally just playing them like a fiddle at this point. It's the easiest stuff. These are all your take profits. Follow this on the way down. How will we know when these flip? Because we literally have the power in the palm of our hand. The 1 seconds will turn green, and then we'll play the 5-second buys. That's how we know. System is flawless. If I can do it and my members can do it, you can do it. So if you're new here, don't think you have to give up on trading because you've lost your whole entire life. You literally, that is an untrue statement. This is gorgeous. I happen to like, let me see. I happen to like the 45-minute buy stop and YM and US 30 better, but they're still all extremely good. We'll be hearing these go off in a few hours. US 30, 45-minute buy stop. Love this bounce off this line right here, the EMA yellow little line. Love it, love it, love it, love it. There. All right, I think we're good on those. This perfection right here, perfection. You want me to check SERV big? SERV? Can you check GBP, JPY? Absolutely. Can you check XLM? Already did. Well, I didn't do XLM, Brad. I will do that for you. Good morning, Lachey. So I think SERV is one of them. Let me see if SERV is what he meant. SERV. SERV Robotics? Why not? First of all, does my system call it out perfectly? And it has. Ooh, we have trouble with the 4 hours. What's up with this? Oh, is there no history? There's enough. Not really, no. Fuck. Not the greatest one. Can't really call it. Doesn't have enough history on TradingView for me to be able to read it good. Looks like all buys. Let me see if I can pull off a 2 hour or 3 hour. Nope, nope, nope. And why isn't there a 4? I can't call it. Looks to be a buy, though. If you see any buy stops, you could take those. But again,
demo trade
I can't
only.
call, so
I am
it's
not a financial advisor.
not enough for me to be able to call it. GBP, a very popular currency pair in a $7.2 trillion a day business. I'll call GBP, JPY, and this will have everything. Sell, sell, sell. Let me see what it's doing to the 3 minute. Sell stop short term GBP, JPY to 195.064. 194 also a sell, 194.840. But I don't like the sells on this, the overall flow of this chart. Daily buy, weekly, beautiful. Weekly 3-week buy, that's gorgeous. Yeah, I'm going to go back to that. Weekly buy, I wouldn't play any sells on this. You're kind of late. You should have got in down here at 190. Take profit 1 hit, take profit 2 hit. This is take profit 3, technically 197.654, 200, and then 201.630, and then 207.264, and that is for GPP JPY.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Okay. What's up, Trade Gun? What's up, Miami Rocks? XLM. Let me check XLM. Good morning, Lachey. XLM used to be one of my darling ones. Still is. There's not really whatever with it lately. 30-minute. Let me go down to the 45-minute. Sell stop to the 45-minute blue line. 9 hour, 10 hour, 10 hour, 12 hour, 12 hour. I'm just going to go ahead and say it. XRP is better. Ethereum's way better. Bitcoin's way better. See, I don't even like calling the higher time frames on this one. It's going to go up. I mean, I'm just not going to call that. I'm good. XLM is just, I'm not doing that one. It's okay. You can trade it. It's not that it's terrible. It's just that I'm not a fan right at the moment. Good morning, Mike Glowinski. What's up, Glow Man? What's up, Glow? What's up, Joseph 12? Good morning. Okay. All right. What am I going? What NQ1 crossing? Let's NQ1 crossing. Um, must be heading down to its 1 minute blue line. NQ1. Yep. NQ1 is heading to its 1 minute blue line as called out live. So will a NAS also. NAS is also crossing towards its 1 minute blue line. You're in profit in both those trades. You're welcome. Good morning, Notum. No ITM. I can't say your name. We'll just call you No. Good morning, No. Good morning, Joseph. Good morning, Mike Lewinsky. What's up, Chloe? What's up, Big and Brad? If anybody wants me to check on any other symbols, please ask. We're having a great morning, easy morning. We've called gold and Bitcoin correctly. We've called NAS, NQ1, SPX, and ES1 all perfectly. I wouldn't play these sells. We're just waiting for these to set up for a bigger, larger buy. That's all. NAS passing. Look at it go. Perfect plays. Perfection. Thank God for another day above ground, another day of health, happiness, which is with you. Thank you for the good and bad in our lives. Please help us to have a nice, safe day today. Let us do your will while we're here on earth. Forgive us of all of our sins, especially ask your blessings upon each and every one of my listeners so their hearts, minds, and souls can be open to learn how to trade the system so they can make consistent profits. And I ask your healing of blessings upon each and every one of them and their family members, brothers, wives, husbands. I especially ask your healing upon, of course, Keith and my beautiful wife, Bree. And I ask for all those out there to be praying for us and to take us all to have better times to come. Amen. All right, quick little prayer. What's up, Crash? What's up, Tariah Edwards? What's up, No and Joseph? No and Joe. Oh. Any other symbols you guys want me to check? It's been an easy morning. All correct calls. At this point, I'm not even playing around. At this point, you guys might as well just sit back, enjoy the calls. They're all going to be correct. They always are. They haven't really missed ever, but in the last several weeks, months, it's been just perfection. Morning, persistent. Thank you for saying thank you, Brad. Yep. Always, and God gets all the glory, remember, because I am just a humble vessel. This happened to be the one he chose to use to make a system that actually works. Quite neat. You can play these short-term sells, NAS and NQ1 to the 1 minute blue line. Or you can play the 15-minute buy stops on NAS, NQ1, SPX, and ES1. And then the 45-minute buy stops on US 30, YM1. Your choice. Pick your flavor that you like to drink and eat. Please remember, the sniper is the most important indicator ever made. And that's why it's always the foundation of every signal that we ever do and anything we ever do, technically. All right. No one has any other symbols you want me to check? Anybody new has anything you like to follow to speak up? I'll do a read for you. All right. I don't see anyone asking. Good morning, Izzy from Jersey, XDC. Sure. Let's take a look for XDC. I lived in New York City. Jersey was horrid. What the heck is this? PHXLX Canadian dollar? Is that what you want me to check? Sure. Okay, I've never looked at this one in my life. XDC. All right, this is 1 minute sell, sell, sell. Let's go to the 5 minute. Sell stop XDC to the 5 minute blue line, $72.18. Take profit 1. Now let's see what's going on. NQ1 is crossing. Back to that. Yep. There. NQ1 and as they're shooting downward towards their has called out for you guys. Look at it. You should be in stunned amazement of what you're seeing. There it goes. As always, correct calls because of God and God alone. There you go. There it is, going right down to that blue line. Hey, thank you, God. And that's the same for NQ. You'd have had no drawdown on your NQ trade. There it is, heading to its 1 minute blue line. Let me knock that up again. Hold on. So get that. Let me go down here. Well, there you go. Heading right to the blue line as told. Now let's go back to the XDC. Was that the one you wanted? Yeah, XDC. Sell stop to the 5 minute blue line. Sell stop to the 7 minute blue line. Let's go upward to negative, negative, negative. 90-minute buy stop XDC. What's up with the daily though? Hold on. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, to the 9-hour blue line. Take profit 1, $72.97. $73, $74. Let me see something up here. Yeah, no, there's better symbols out there than this. I'm not overall. This is a 6-month sell. I don't like that at all. Yeah, I don't like that at all. I'd be leery of this. Everything's going to come true that I said, but I don't like. There's way better symbols to trade than that.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Hope that helps you, Izzy. But yeah, I'm not thrilled with that one at all. 0 likes. We have way better symbols than that to trade. Way better. But that's just me. You're an adult. Do what you want. Silver and gold. Silver's already up past its 5 minute. Let's go to the 7 minute. Gold buy stop 3,301. Take profit. 10 minute. Look at silver go. So you doubt that they work together, but they always do. 90-minute ricochet. Let's see over here. Nope, not doing that. Buy, buy, buy. 1 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, 2 hour buy, 3 hour, 3 hour buy, 4 hour, 4 hour buy. Damn, 5 hour buy. There it is. 5 hour buy stop gold again. Take profit 3,328, 3,357, Silver will go above $33.58. 12-hour daily. Let's see if our weekly has reset yet. It has not, but the silver has. Silver will go above $35 an ounce. And by the way, just so we're clear, where is that at? They found the most things ever, Mr. Gold. Hey, just check silver, JSB. Good morning, JSB. I didn't even know you asked. But yeah, silver is going to go up to 35. Mr. Gold said, thanks for the free money call outs this morning, printing money as I make breakfast. Get the system and start living. Amen. See, I mean, at this point, yeah, all the figuring out that people always said, oh, you can't make money on the day-to-day basis. No one knows. Yep, we know. Yep, we do. News is 100% and total counterfeit. It's useless pile of shit. Never need it ever again. Oh, man, am I tired. All right, let me see if I can pull this over on silver. I still think that's close enough, but anyway. All right, so that's silver. Did I miss somebody? I don't think I did. Hope that helped you, Izzy. And no one else. Silver, we checked. We don't ask about what it is, JSB, and no, it is not, by the way. Yeah, you're going to have to delete that comment. Where's he at? TikTok, he's on YouTube. We don't guess at what anything else is here. Absolutely 100% not. Don't do it again or I'll ban you from the channel. Let's be clear on that. You're welcome, JSB. Okay. You're welcome, JSB. All right. Any other symbols you need called out? I'm going to tell you where it's going before it goes there. Step right up. On my silver daily buy. Back when it was at $27 on 8.5. Told you. Every call I make is just thank God and God alone. He gets all the credit. Any other symbols you guys want me to call out? You can go over to thesafetytrade.com to purchase the system if you'd like. I would go over to my YouTube channel and start researching and looking at all my 1,000 videos. Yay. It's actually 2,200 videos. And I think we're up to 5,000 members. Yep, 4,980 members. Yay. Good morning, Matt Parker. What's up, Matt? I don't know if John's here this morning. I don't remember seeing him. A little Bitcoin call. I love this call I made. 26,500 was going to go over 70,000. Then I was the first to call that. I was the first to call it to go to 100. I was the first to call it to go to 110. I'm the first to call to go to 115 and Bitcoin to 120,000. Just so you're clear. Could I look at SoFi? Sure. SoFi, don't bother me. SoFi Technologies. Let's see what the sniper rifle shows. Sell, stop, and then buys. Okay, let's look over there. 1224 demo too late. Should have Had my system, could have done monthly entry, 12-hour buy stops. I'm telling you what you show. Oh my God, I'm too funny. All right, what is this SoFi? Let's go over to the 15-second and see what she's doing. Sell to the blue line, $13.46. Better yet, though, let me make sure on my weeklies up here. Oh yeah, this is gorgeous. This is a daily, weekly buy. This is a weekly buy. Ooh, but unfortunately, that's why. Monthly, 3 monthly. Ah, oh boy. Nope, we'll finish this one out for you guys. All right. It's going to go up to $15.13. Take profit, whatever that would be, $18. But there is a problem here. I don't like this one. You do what you guys want with it. I'm not a fan. It's got an issue with a monthly, 3 monthly. I don't have enough history. And yeah, those shorter term ones you can play, but I wouldn't play the longer term ones on SoFi. I don't like it.
I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, Sazka. Good morning, Sass. Asking for, I'm assuming that was a please in there. ZBCN. If you did say please, I'll call this for you. I guess I'll look at this on CryptoCap. It just doesn't look swell, but we'll take a look at it. It's too new. There's nothing here. Oh my goodness. It's a 7-hour buy stop, but yeah, there's nothing here. You should have, if you had my system, you could have got in at the 2-hour mark at 345 and went up to 456. What the hell is this? 1-hour buy. Yeah, I'm not feeling this one. It's not enough history for me to call it, at least not on this particular. Yeah, there's not enough for my system to call this. It looks like a buy, but I can't call that. It's too
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, Henry. What's up, HJC3? What's up, Henry? On both. Henry's on both. You're welcome, Mr. Gold. All right. Any other symbols? Calling out any symbols you guys have? Remember when crypto was hot there for a minute? We had hundreds of people in there asking for symbols. It was so funny to me. Crypto traders are the worst traders. They have no clue of what they're doing. Sorry, guys, but you don't. That's why I'm making a crypto system to help you all out so you don't do silly stuff. You name any symbol. I'll tell you where it's going. Ding, ding, ding. Easy peasy. Good morning. See above. PEP USDT by CoinEx, says Brad. Please and thanks. Yeah, evidently I didn't see your little thing because I don't see it anywhere on there. All right, let's look at whatever that one was that was just called. It is PEP USDT. I like you even said on CoinEx. Good for you. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, it doesn't have any weekly, monthly, 3 monthly. Can't call it long term. Can I give you anything to do here though? Maybe a 4-hour? No. Sorry. Maybe a 4-hour. 90-minute buy stop. Buy stop to the 90-minute blue line. Take profit 1.00025105. Yeah, this is pretty shitty, but that's the call I'll make. And then it's going to go up to 0.000297172, and that is for PEP USDT.
I am not a financial
Oh, is that the
advisor.
Pepe one? Because before it didn't even have this. I couldn't call Pepe at all. So yeah, that's Pepe. Or PEP. I have no idea what the fuck that is. I shouldn't say that's Pepe, but yeah. REGN. REGN. Regeneron Pharmaceuticals. That just sounds like a scam company. I'm sure it's worth thousands, no hundreds. There you go. Regeneron is a sell to the 3 minute, to the 1 minute, sell to the 5 minute, sell to the 5 minute blue line, 590.92. But it looks to me like it's, let me see this daily again. Shit. So weekly, 3 weekly, 3 weekly, monthly, 6 months. Oh, monthly 3 month buy. I'll give you this one. I'll take it back that I thought it was a shitty pile of shit. Now, if you had my system, you could have been in this at about $48, but whatever. It is yeah, that's not bad. Monthly, 3 monthly buy stop. That's the one I'm going to call. Take profit one. Where the hell's it at? 6. Where's this thing at? Take profit one, 600. This can go up. I don't know. Yeah, this isn't bad at all. Last time it did this, it was at 353 and it went up to 1100. Take profit, whatever that was, I told you, that's the first one. Then 650, 700, 750, 800, 850. I really actually love $950 for this thing.
Demo trade only.
REGN.
Financial advisor.
REGN. Yeah, no, that's a nice. Now this is a very longer term play. Looks like short term they have some troubles coming up, some sells coming in. But I would play any 30-minute buy stop on this symbol. Yep. Oh. Any others? Let's go over here. You name any symbol and I'll call it. You're welcome, Henry. It's not a bad one, Henry. It's pretty good. All right. What time is it? I have no idea. 7 in the morning? 7:11. Yep. I still rather talk to Keith this morning. Keith Rooney. I'd rather get a couple of these things knocked out. He's not busy. He's up. Don't forget, if I can call symbols out like this, you guys can too. You can buy the system. Learn how to fish for yourselves. Learn how to trade for yourselves. Okay, let's see if anyone did that. None there. Oh, no more. Okay, cool. Let's go back to our little. Nice. What is this? 1 minute sells, NQ1. Yep, still heading there. NAS and NQ1 to the 1 minute sell stop. Yeah, don't do that NAS little buy right there. We're looking for NAS and NQ1 to go down to the 1 minute blue line. It has to regroup right here. It has to hook and come back up, and then it'll come down. Let me see where SPX is. Oh, yeah, gorgeous. ES1. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Easy money. This sell on NAS and NQ1 to the 1 minute blue line is easy. I wouldn't take it because I don't do sell stops when it's a buy. Overall flow of the trade is a buy, but it's there. I think I got you guys all set up enough for market open. I really do. Let me see something real quick. All right, peepee weepies. Everybody hates when I go quiet like this, but I don't care. Lazarus says thank you. Okay. I don't think there's anything else. I think I'm going to go ahead and call it, and then I'm going to go ahead and maybe I'll come back on before market open in a couple hours here. If not, look for the sell to continue to the 1 minute blue lines, and then at open, look for the buy stops on all three indices. Okay. I'll leave you with this thought then. Let's put you over here and let's do that. We need to, so this is for US 30, YM1, NAS, NQ1, SPX, and ES1 is in the game. Look for, look for all to head to NAS and NQ1 1 minute lines, then, oh, by the way, let me touch. Then 15 minutes / 45 minute buy stops at open. Daily sells, not going to happen. Daily sells, don't touch. Weekly buy stops, you are best. Demo trade. Okay, that's what I'll leave you guys with. TikTokers, have a great morning. I might see you on a little bit. You're welcome, Matt. You're welcome, Guy Berger. You're welcome, Henry. You're welcome, Mr. Gold. Yeah, might see you on open. We'll see. All right. That takes care of TikTok. All right, YouTubers, I'll be on in a little bit, maybe. We'll see. All right. Talk to you all soon, though, Lord willing. All right.